So we're going to do this puzzle right here. And
what we need to do is start the timer.
Yep, I'm going to start it in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay. So this is the Schrödinger's cat puzzle from iDventure.
And let's start here, shall we? What's these?
It's cube shaped.
What is it?
So usually there's a starting point.
Oh, I bet. I'm going to use on the side.
These ones?
Yeah.
They seem to slide around.
Yes. Oh, wait, that was a start. Do you see?
Oh yeah.
Wait, look, there's arrows.
Follow the arrows.
Up there, down, down.
Top.
Over there. Up there. What? That's that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, looks like another arrow. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, let's start with this one.
Oh, we might need to turn them in a certain way. Oh, I see something.
Get it on the right.
Can you turn that on? Let me see.
Before we do it, I'll try this one.
Right, let me check something because I think. Yeah, look, this one. I think if you turn it that way around, and then it should. Oh.
Hello. Oh, that's
look.
a 4. Is that a 4?
Yeah, it's got 4 dots on it.
This might be a 5 then. The 4 then.
Make sure it's turned the right way. It's got to be in line with it. Look. Oh yeah, that one like that. Here we go. Got another one.
Oh, it's 5.
5 dots. Got another one.
Give it.
How many?
1.
2.
2.
And 3.
3.
Okay. So what do we do with them?
Look, what's that? Like,
It looks,
dots.
they look similar to the holes they came out of, so they should fit in there. And
That's good. That's like 3 buttons.
yeah, I see. Yes, it's got 5 dots around there.
Yes, can you? So, I have the 3 one to go in there.
Well, do you think we have to do it in order?
I'll show
I think we should. Yeah, we'll do it in order. Let's find 1. Okay, there's 1. Put 1 dot in.
I have the number 1. Is that correct?
Yep. I think it just sits in there.
Oh, okay. Oh,
We need to find 2.
4. I found a 4.
Oh, there's 2.
I have
Okay,
number
put 2 in.
3.
Let's try 3. That's 5.
Oh, over there.
That's 4.
There.
4 in.
And remember if
You sure that's 4?
Wait, don't you need to put it in the other way? Because it might fit in that way. Maybe. And over here it looks like a 5.
Well done, because we haven't done 4 yet. Okay, push 4 really far. Wait, something's happening here, look. That's me 4. When you were pushing 4, it was moving this. There, look.
What was that?
See that come up?
Yeah, what's that? It has a symbol. It's got a tree, like a little, like a tree. Kind of like a tree, and then like a how?
Yeah, I thought they're just random symbols. So we've got.
Wait, look at the top.
I think the shape of this is going to be important
Wait,
as well.
you've seen that one? The Christmas tree. Is it?
The zigzag. Oh yeah. Well, it looks like it would match up to that, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That would fit onto there.
Yeah.
And look, that's got a little arrow. So I think that's the starting point. So maybe these.
Like a snake.
Oh, the square things.
Yeah.
Square bits.
What are those? They're like.
Look, all of these have different
Like-
shapes on them.
That's like a.
So maybe there's another one that's got square bits on.
What's the Eiffel over? Wait, I think that was the house.
Oh, something fell out. I don't think we need them.
Oh,
anyway.
yes.
They were just to push out that block, weren't they?
Yeah, I was thinking.
So now we've got to block that. We can just take them out so they don't fall everywhere. What are we looking for?
So,
Uh-oh.
So now just the pause off because our family just got here, and now we're gonna continue.
So we're going to continue. What did we find? Oh, on this. Okay, it's got the
Squares.
zigzaggy look.
And now squares.
Oh, we were looking for squares. I think I saw squares. This one. Do you think it would fit onto that?
Maybe.
That's got like one big sticky out bit on one
And
on its side.
okay.
Yeah, that would fit.
And wait, I see someone here.
That one would need to fit on that shape next.
What's over
There, look.
a zigzag like that?
Okay, so it must be to do with this wheel thing.
Wait, I think I saw a house.
Oh, look. There's little symbols on each one of these wheels.
Oh yeah, I actually didn't notice that.
Let's hold it up here so we can see them. Okay, we can see the front one. So each one's got a symbol.
Wait, I think it's a tree one.
Look. So if this says we start here,
Yeah.
and that lines up to it, then I think this will be the first symbol on this wheel.
What's the first symbol?
It's like a tree thing.
Like a tree.
A triangle. It's going to be on this wheel.
A tree.
There.
That one.
At the top.
Triangle. Yeah, that's the first. And then is that like a little house?
Do you know what I think we should do is actually write these down.
Oh yeah, I'll get
Because
some paper.
when we turn the box, it's going to mess up the wheel.
So I guess what's next? And next is
So we'll figure out the order of the symbols, and then we'll just do them all at the same time.
next is like a little hut, isn't it? It's like a little hut. I got some little things. So wasn't it a tree?
Okay, so the first symbol is this tree-looking one. So triangle with a line coming out of it.
And then, is there
You see
anything
it?
else? Oh yeah, and then two lines, 1, 2. And then next there's like a little hut.
Next is a like sideways
House?
priest house.
Or maybe a hat. Or maybe a house.
So it's like a.
So,
Can you see it?
and then it's like that, and it's like something like. And then it's like that, and then it's like a little line, so that's like that.
Yeah, that looks good. Then we find the block one that fit onto, which was here. Okay, so it looks like one symbol, which is just a big square
A big square.
with a cross coming out the bottom.
So should I do
Yeah, so draw that next. Right next to the other one.
So just like a square, I did like a cross.
Yeah, at the bottom.
Just a square. Oh, Daddy, the hut is over here.
So that links into that shape, which I think we saw. So
And I didn't see a hut.
that's like a Z.
There's another Z.
There's a 7 that goes through its
I
line.
bet it's like a head, and then a 7, like that.
Oh, that's the one that's next.
Hut. New hut.
Where's it? It looks like a U and then
Yeah.
a bottom U. So can you draw that like an hourglass kind of shape?
Like a U, and then a bottom.
Yeah, that can go. So we need to
And
find
then
one.
it's like two with no hands. It's like this one.
Oh yeah. We need to find a semicircle. Oh, there we go, straight away. So upside down triangle.
It looks like a mountain. Upside down triangle. It's a mountain with another triangle. Right.
That's it. The top triangle's got a line across the top as well.
Oh yeah.
And then that one's got a zigzag. Oh, there he is. So it looks like a little devil man, little alien man. So circle with a fist bump on the head,
A fist bump on the head.
and then
And
body
then
and arms.
body and arms.
And then this one's got 2 little dots that we need to find.
2 little dots.
It's not gonna.
2 little dots. So take over the.
Oh no. Maybe that's the end. Could it be?
We've been doing this for 10 minutes.
Let's just place that back. Oh, there we go. I
Here,
can't find 2 little dots.
2 little dots. 2 little dots.
Oh. Is this an eyeball? Is there anything in there? Other than a pencil? It's something that moves around, so maybe that. There. Did you see it?
Huh?
No.
Oh yeah, you've
Is these
shut the
something-
eye. You've shut the eye. Do you know what's the symbol? Hey, there's a symbol. It's a triangle. It's numbers. It's numbers.
Yeah, that's not what we're looking for, I don't think. How many do we have? How many symbols do we have?
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7. Okay, that's the last one.
Oh, okay.
Look, I think once we align the symbols, this should come out.
Or maybe up here. Daddy, or maybe up here. Yeah.
Or there, yeah. Okay, so first symbol was the tree.
The tree.
Next symbol?
The like little hat. Yeah.
Oh, right, so
Yeah, like an alien hat thing.
that's this one.
There you are,
Okay,
that's it.
that's this one.
Yeah, and then a square tree. A square tree.
Square tree. Oh yeah, square with the plus.
And then a sleeping.
one?
And then a sleeping with a 7 in the middle.
Z and a 7.
And then a fist bump.
This one. That one.
And like a triangle with another triangle for it.
The mountains.
Yeah, like one upside down mountain and then another like that.
And the last one.
Alien
Alien.
with a fist bump on it.
That one. Okay. They're all lined up. Oh yeah, look.
It's a key. Why is it so long?
Oh.
Wait, does that go in there?
I think that's unlocks these, look. They spin now and they didn't before. Okay, so on this side there's some symbols there. And I actually just saw one of these types of symbols.
It's a G.
I saw it in this eye hole. Or on this side.
An eye hole.
And this side's got symbols as well. Look, they both spin at the same time.
And what are the symbols? Daddy, I saw 8. I saw 8.
And there's a 7.
I saw 8 too.
And there's a... what is that? Arrows.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Triangle. I think it's to do with this eye thing, so let's line that back up. Wherever it is. Anyone see? Oh, there he is.
We are good at what?
Okay, write this down.
What is it? What is it? What's the number?
What's it again? That's it. It goes in the right place.
That's 4.
Is that the start?
That's a 7.
Okay, is that the start of the number? No.
Maybe you need to go to number 1.
This is going to be... Lost something. Oh, there it is. Here we go.
What number?
So, I can't tell which way up it goes. Okay, triangle. Triangle 5
Triangle 5
equals
equals
7,
7,
7, 3.
7, 7, 3.
0.
0.
1.
1.
Okay, we're going to start that. And then a double-ended arrow. Okay, you got one just ended one.
Yeah, and double-ended arrow.
Double-ended arrow. That's the end of that line. There's something underneath it as well. But triangle 5 didn't be.
Yeah, triangle 5 equals 7.
Let's check there's something above that. Above it.
So is that it?
No, there's something below. It's another equal sign.
Equals.
And then it's an upside down capital T.
An upside down capital T.
Then it's 4
Or 4.
and 8.
And 8.
An upside down T again.
An upside down T.
Equals
Equals
1,
1,
0,
0,
8,
8,
5.
1. That
Is
is
that the end? That's the end.
okay.
That's weird.
Yeah. Wait, Daddy, there's another arrow.
Okay. So yeah.
What did I already spotted the arrow.
Right, okay. What's the first symbol we had there?
And we've had a triangle.
Let's see if it exists. Oh, that's the upside down. Oh no, that looks more like an L. That's a T symbol.
That's a P. That's an I. That's a U. That's a G.
Right, these are all
So
letters.
that's F.
On this side earlier, we saw that double arrow symbol, didn't we? Yeah, what's the first symbol again?
A triangle.
Just a triangle.
Yeah, just a triangle. Wait, do you mean the first symbol from like here?
No, from the card thing that we had. Oh, triangle 5.
Yeah, triangle 5.
Okay. Sure, a triangle. Oh, there's numbers. Okay, triangle. Now I think that relates to a letter. S. So write this separately. S.
S.
I think it's going to spell letters.
5, we need a 5.
5. 5.
What is that?
5 is T.
Stop.
What's the next one?
Stand.
What's the next symbol? Equals.
Equals. Is this a very long word? Even this one.
Equals.
Equals.
A.
It could be stand.
Could be. Stand.
Stand.
And 7 next time.
Yeah, 2 symbols.
Oh, that's nice. There we go. Okay, 7. Turn that round is R. Do you want the card down?
Stand.
No, star.
Star. Yeah.
Did you say next one's an R again?
Yeah. Star. Star. Stand.
Hold on, let's pause a second. Save move.
It says star. This is what I wrote it down, and my menu just says star. Star. Well, after the R is a 3. Daddy, next to this flame, we've got to find a flame.
Skipping ahead, are you?
No, it's
Bring that down first.
Star. Flame.
Okay, let's press start again.
Start. Flame, so find a flame.
3.
Then is
3. Okay. 3 is an I.
Starry.
The letter I.
Oh.
Not an eyeball.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Starry.
Yeah, then it's a 0, a circle.
And it's a 0, I think. I mean, either way.
Yeah, that's 0. An N.
And then starring.
And what's the next one?
Doing 1, I think. Yeah, 1. You went 0, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. And then next is equals.
It's 1.
And then next
Is
is
it G?
starring.
Starring.
Starring. And next is equals.
It's equals or equal.
Yes, equal. No, it's the triangle.
It's A.
No, it's a triangle thing.
Double into triangle.
Wait, Daddy, did you say?
Do you mean that?
Yeah. And Daddy, I said.
That one.
Oh, yeah, I think too much. Daddy, didn't you say equals is A? Starring. Did you say equals is A?
Equals was A.
Equals is A. Okay. Starring goes starring.
What's next? Upside down T.
Upside down T. Upside down T. It looks like an I. It looks like an I. But what is it?
M.
M. It's a M.
And the next one?
4 starring lamp. 4
For starring lamp.
starring lamp.
P.
Starring lamp.
Starring lamp. Next one?
8. Wait,
8.
8. Oh yeah. And next is the upside down T after
Okay, that's 8. Is E.
E starring. And next is the upside down T. And I don't know that was a number.
How many more are there?
Daddy, how does T and numbers equals? Daddy.
Upside down T next.
Yeah, and that's a map. Remember? That's a 7.
Upside down T.
Upside down. It's supposed to be a map, I think.
Is it the map? The
Yeah.
M.
Yeah.
Yep, there's an M.
It's an M. And then next is equals starring.
Equals is not A.
Equals, yeah.
Let's check. Equals is
A.
Yeah, A.
A starring lamp. Starring lamp.
Next one.
Ring lamp. 1 Emma.
Oh. Next one.
Matt.
Okay, what's the next?
Oh, 1.
1. 2, 1.
And that is
G.
G. Starring Madge. Starring Madge. And then next is 0.
0.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah. And then it's 8. 5.
N.
N. And then it's 8. 8.
8. 8 is an E.
E. And then next is 5.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
T.
T. Starring magnet.
Star. Ring.
Lamp.
Lamp. Magnet.
Net.
Check it out.
Oh!
Okay. Star.
Star.
Ring.
Ring. Lamp.
Lamp.
Magnet.
What do you think? Well,
Where's the
that
other
came
one?
out the top.
That means this was fun.
That comes out now.
It's
Let's
this.
retract it.
What is it?
We got it.
Inside is. It's a credit card.
It's a tiny credit card. Oh, it's a magnet.
Oh, it's a magnet.
Schrödinger's cat rescuer.
Whoa.
Oh, what time did we get? 24 minutes.
Stop. And now, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Yeah. We did it.
Bye.
Good work, guys.
Like and subscribe, please.
Good work.
Thank you. Bye.